Our roof jobs, we have project managers on site. We don't want that project manager having to pull guys off to go take care of warranty stuff. We want him to not have any warranty things to do that day because there's no issues.
I guarantee you though, there's going to end up being roofers that are going to watch this, and if they are fed up with the way that their boss operates, they want to send the 3-tab cap out to the architectural installs. They don't care about going beyond a 10-year workmanship warranty because they know in their heart that that pipe boot's going to rot out. I mean, if you want to be a part of something that I think is going to be big one day, you should definitely come work with Retro Roofers.
Right, that's perfect, and to just feed off that, when there's a big storm, and we drive past driveways sometimes just to see what companies are putting on those houses, and we can point and point and point and point. Build a great material, build a great material, build a great material. It's ridiculous. And there's a fortune for these companies and these insurance storm policies. Like when the storm happens, there's plenty of money that they could be doing exactly what we're doing.
That's funny, I stood out in the backyard with a house in Brookhaven just last week, and she said, oh, that neighbor got the new roof, that neighbor. I said, let me just show you the difference. I said, take a step back. I said, you see the lifetime pipe boot? She said, yeah. It's like, look over there. Single plastic pipe boot. I said, it's gonna dry rot year 10. They didn't even paint the exhaust vents. They were rusted out. They didn't even take a $5 can of spray paint and paint. Like, it was just, they didn't build a cricket behind the chimney. It was night and day difference. So from the ground, until I said these things, she thought, hey, they got a nice lifetime architectural roof also. And I said, no. Literally stood here in 2 seconds it took me to shake apart what's wrong with every bit of that roof. It's not gonna hold up.
It's the details. Those small details, to me, are the most important.